intro to lounging around. I don't know. I don't know what the new intro would be. All right, take one.
Take one. We're saddling up for a comfortable afternoon here at Late Model Garage. We get everything set up, ready to rock and roll. We got engine mounts to put in, power steering rack cross member to install. So it won't be long. We're gonna have all these pieces right here and right here, which we showed you before in some of our earlier videos. But we had to finish the raising of the right front cross member in order to install these pieces so they line up properly. So we've done all the work necessary to get to this point. So today we're going to get this mocked up, and I think we probably have said it 100 times. We're going to tack it in and finish it, but I think today we're actually going to make that happen. So I'm pretty excited about that. I saw it flash something up.
Take two. Take three, something.
I remember you want to cheat your side up. I'm going to cheat my side down just a smooge.
Gonna have to go more forward than that because it's hitting.
It's just temporary.
Yeah.
Watch it. It's pretty close.
There's 16 on the button.
So I have a feeling we should just tack this mount in, and then we'll go to this piece, and when we'll get this piece tacked in, then we'll lay this other kicker up and we'll tack it in, and then we'll make sure that when we squeeze everything together, all our measurements still look good, and then we'll burn it together. Sound like a plan?
Sounds good to me.
Let's do it.
Well, we've grinded everything off, and now we're going to attempt to put this in at our current measurements, like 16 from mid plate out, and then this one actually measures 26 3/4 from the floor up, and we're pretty close to that with this.
You tell me.
We're at 16 there. You pulling down on it?
Yep.
Yep. Shoot it. Beautiful.
Ah!
What'd you do?
Another side broke.
What'd you do that for?
Completely came off.
If we're good here to here, and we're looking pretty square here, then we'll just pull this down to where we need it to be, and I'll try to put another tack in it and see what happens. And then it's still going to give us some flexibility to roll down.
I would say go ahead and tack that because that's where you want it.
Okay.
$26 3/4 right there.
Right there?
Yep.
Ow! You got it still? Sorry.
Yeah. So it still flexes up a 1/4 inch. There you go, dropping stuff again. Okay. So after arguing with Sam, we always have fights like this. We have come up with a decision, and we're within an eighth. We think we are. Here it is, mocked in there. Got a little bit of making up room to do, but our measurements are together where we want them as best we can. What do you want?
It just kept getting really hot. I felt like I needed to stop. It burned in really nice though.
Yeah.
It stayed puddled up really good. Let me do this side. That was much better.
I'll be ready in 20 minutes. I'll go pick it up.
Okay.
That looks very good. Your life on the line of the welds.
Hopefully before too long there'll be an engine sitting in here.
I hear Santa Claus is coming soon. Much better than the other side. It's not perfect, but except for
What are you doing in there?
So I got all that. I got all that. I got all that. I got that.
Down here.
Where?
You got all that under
I
there?
got all this right over
Okay.
here. I brought it all the way up to here, and then I brought it all the way up to there, so I get the rest of it from the top.
Okay.
We got all that. So really, I just got this piece over here left to do. Feel like. Turn around.
Every now and
I feel like I'm a twister down here. I need old Flapper Dan.
Old Flapper Dan here.
Yeah, we went down a little longer than anticipated. Burn the sign up here. I said I was a Flapper Dan man.
Maybe a little loop action going in there.
Yeah.
All right. Here we go.
Did you get any completed footage?
Not of
You
it.
just got it when it was all tacked together?
Yes.
Gotcha.
We wound up squeezing right here. That's what this little booger is. C-clamp. Pulled it back. We didn't put a piece of plate in there. So here is the completed piece. Welded. Maybe do a little grind on it. But that is it.
I still think we're gonna need an extra support or something somewhere.
That's hard to see when you do that. Yeah, on the wing there.
Yep. Well, it has been another long night here in the garage.
Night 2.
Night 2 in a row to wrap up our front end project here. We've got everything completed except for our right front shock mount, so we'll be tackling that next weekend. Very successful tonight in getting everything welded back in. As the old saying goes, you know, a lot of preparation made for an easy end result here. So due to making sure we took enough time to get our right front rail correct and in the most proper, you know, safest way, most strength we can have, we were able to get our new engine mount and our new rack cross member put in. If you get a good look at this thing from the front, you'll notice it, you know, the rack looks like it's picked up on the right hand side and it's tipped back some, and it almost looks like it's in there crooked. And no, we weren't drinking heavily when we put it in there. That is how it is supposed to look, and that's how they're building these cars nowadays. All these parts we did pick up from Masters Built directly, so big shout out to Tater and Keith and Josh at Masters Built for all the parts and their help and support and giving us a little phone time to help us get through this project. We're super excited about wrapping this up and moving on to the back, where we've got big plans for replacing the 4-bar plates, as well as it's going to be basically a full bolt-on assembly. So you're going to get all the plates on the back, and they'll be bolt-on, and then the right front shock mount again, which it'll have bolt-on plates as well. Once this chassis is done, it's going to be as close to, you know, a 2020 type chassis that's coming out. Hopefully you guys will stick around with us and check out, you know, more of our videos as we continue forward on our project, and we most certainly plan to continue to film all the way through racing season when it warms back up. So stay tuned with us as we get the car set up and ready to go for test and tune, and as we begin, you know, our venture for racing in 2021. The other thing we want to shout out to everybody is we noticed last night that we got our 84th subscriber, and that's kind of cool for us because our car number is 84, and we never thought that we would get 84 subscribers in the first 3 or 4 weeks we started filming all of this. So we're super excited you guys like our project, and we hope you want to hang around with us and check out some more dirt late model upgrades and some different things on the chassis, and make sure to like and subscribe and keep on commenting on our videos. We love to hear what you have to say and all your suggestions, and we're always open to everyone's input. So thanks again for checking out our video, and have a great night.